How you guys doing? I'm Kent Tilley, this is Jason Pest. We are Studio 1106. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and if you want to know how to build a project, we'd love to hear from you. Let us know what you want us to build and we'll try and figure it out. Today we're going to build something really simple but useful for my house anyways. My son is 4 and he still needs a step stool to get to the sink and whatever to wash his hands, but most of the ones that my wife buys are quite tippy. They're pretty dangerous, so we figured why not just build a very simple step stool. Be kind of a fun thing for you to learn, and if you do it, then you can tell your husband or your wife, you know, look at this, I'm the fucking best, and it'll be unreal, right?
Yeah, so we have all of 8 cuts to make, and it's going to be less than a 10-foot 2x6. So all you need to do, if you don't have scrap kicking around, go pick up a 10-foot 2x6 from your local hardware store. I've now marked out my 8 cuts. Kent will put them up on the screen, and I'm going to start cutting them.
Where's your glasses?
Okay, so this is what it's going to look like when it's complete. Just wanted to give you an idea before we start screwing it together. So that 11-inch piece that we cut, that's going to be put in the middle there to create the rigidity for it. We're going to find center, and that's going to stop any wobble. So now we'll take it apart and put it together. Good.
Yeah.
Edit that part out.
No. If you would pre-drill holes, then you'd be fine.
As that. Now we're going to screw on the 3 treads, and we just left a 1-inch overhang on the sides and for a little nosing on the front. That's what it's going to look like there. Get those splinters down there. Alright, so it's as simple as that. All of about $10 of material and about 20 minutes in time. Kent will take this, sand it, stain it, make sure there's no splinters for his son. And you guys can always use more expensive material and put some more time in it if you want, but there you have it.
No, but I mean, now my wife can reach the higher cupboards and stuff, so this is absolutely perfect. thank you guys again for watching, and please subscribe. I'll show you the finished product once I get through it. Thanks.
Thank you.